see that there's one long side and one short side. So identify these sides and be very careful that you know that the one's long and one's short. None of them are closed, all of them.
Hindi open na.
You're gonna flip this to the bad and make sure that the short side goes with the short, the long side goes with the long, and that the middle is exactly in the middle with the bridge. Alright? So line it up. Bridge is in the middle, and what you're gonna want to do is push. So do this. You push right in this. You can push it. No going. And then just make sure. And do the same thing. To get it out.
So get it up.
Lift this thing with one hand. You. And just put it on the side. Okay, so for now, just take this and place it aside. Just place it aside. Try to clear out the wires just by pushing aside. And one screw here, the top row, and then the same on the back. One screw here and one screw here. This. Perfect. Don't touch. Like this. Drop it in. Make sure that line is. Don't. Yeah. Tighten only a little bit, and then once they're all in, tighten fully. And we'll come around. And then slide it back in, and make sure, and then release so it clicks back into place. Make sure you get these. Make sure you get these and and push. Okay, buddy. Take the green end, put it inside to the case to the front. It's facing up, so that it goes with the case. Otherwise, it won't line up. Yes, S-A-T-A, say that.
Nakita mo na? Nakita mo na?
Okay. What you want, make sure it's exactly like this when you're putting it on in the beginning, close it up.